Combined team of Nab and Thobal police busts a drug factory near Lilong Dam, seizes heroin worth around 1 billion rupees in international market. MPCC President Gai Khangam criticizes state leaders of being busy camping in Delhi over leadership posts while people in the state suffer. Manipur Kabui Union strongly condemns President of Zeliangrong Union Amu Kamei for his offensive statement against Kabui community. And Imphal East Pokso Court sentences 29-year-old Seram Chinglen from Khurai Angom Lekai to 10 years of rigorous imprisonment for raping a minor. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Usham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. A combined team of Narcotics Affairs, Border, Nab and Thobal police busted a drug factory near Lilong Dam in Thobal district and seized heroin brown sugar worth around 1 billion rupees in the international market from 3 miscreants this morning. The 3 miscreants are identified as 29-year-old MD Sirajuddin, son of MD Ibungo from Lilong Kelakong, 40-year-old MD Matalip, son of MD Amu, and his wife, 35-year-old Shamim Pusam from Lilong Dam. Speaking to media at NAB office today, NAB SP Watambasu stated that acting on a tip-off, a combined team led by additional SP of NAB, TH Brinda, OC B Rishikesh, and additional SP of Thobal Police S Sachidananda raided the residence of MD Matalib near Lilong Dam and busted the drug factory around 4 this morning. The team seized 111.915 kilogram of heroin brown sugar and various incriminating items used in making the contraband drug during the raid. SP W. Basu also mentioned that a team of NAB also seized 5.463 kilogram of opium from 3 miscreants during a search drive at Hong Kong Veng village under Suknu police station around 4:35 p.m. yesterday. The 3 miscreants are identified as 32-year-old Pausian Lal Tungdim and 55-year-old Mangnu Tungdim, both from Glengai village in Chandel district, and 37-year-old Aaron Nangsh from DC Lamkai. SP Basu maintained that NAB police station has registered separate cases against the miscreants and investigations are underway.
Combined teams in Lilong Dam area dagi akoi Manipur gi history ahan boina yam successfully akoina illegal clandestine brown sugar lab ama akoina thugai riba jaga sina Muhammad Matlib ki yumdani siga mari leina na akoina Matlib amasung magi nupi Samim amasung Siras Uddin naina moy hum akoina fare akoina several equipments tools akoi iron plate na chingba sunu phi ade hand gloves gas cylinder simam akoi recover tawre sigi matang da akoina case ama inhibitor recover tawre fariba brown sugar sina 111 ga 900 grams ungni chorakpa akoina recover Ngarang nung doyar makoi pung manga mari makai manga mung tawre ene bigi tim amna mu Sandel lom site suknu gi Hong Kong village tagi mi ahum kani kilo manga ga gram samri muki changda phai adu si matang da ju case ma koine ene bi recover tawre ani maki investigation away athu matam da hogjaragani.
Acting on a tip-off, a combined team of Thobal Police Station and Thobal Commando raided the residence of one 30-year-old Aribam Ajit alias Aziz Khan, son of A. Bomcha, and the residence of one Nahamacha, wife of MD Aziz at Sangayum Farm, Part 2, Cherapur Mathak, Lekai around 1:10 p.m. yesterday. 30 bottles of RC cough syrup, 550 WY tablets, and a stolen Honda Civic vehicle bearing registration number HR26AE8813 were seized during the search operation. President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC, Gai Khangam expressed disappointment at the chaotic condition of Manipur in the wake of tussle for leadership by state BJP MLAs and ministers. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan today, Gai Khangam criticized the state BJP MLAs for being busy camping in Delhi over leadership posts while people are left to suffer in the state. He maintained that Congress does not want to interfere in such internal conflicts of the ruling government, but failure in the state governance cannot be tolerated anymore. Responding to media query, Gai Khangam asserted that no existing Congress MLA will ever join the BJP. Gai Khangam opined that it would have been better if the committee formed to probe the illegal withdrawal of huge amount of funds during recent imposition of election model code of conduct is headed by a retired justice of the High Court. He also demanded to produce white paper inquiry report of the committee in public.
High level of inquiry committee or commission of the High Court retired justice Manipur or the Ghana. To now the same say, once for all, I think question minimum I think carry, but the volume of me, Loyana, she was I am providing I can be coming, I think that the country, Missy, she down. Jauh sekian menit, negara dia ni mereka inquiry dia apa ni? Inquiry kami constitute tu. Ada ceni High Court ada just tu ni. Lagan itu mana sih tu saya. Itu you ani kunjaga.
BJP Manipur Pradesh has refuted Thangmaiban MLA Khumukcham Joy Kishan's recent claims that some unidentified persons started renovations of Laijing Ningthau Government Junior High School without the knowledge of the authorities concerned. Speaking to media in the presence of local elders at his residence in Thangmaiban today, Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh cum social worker of Thangmaiban constituency, Jotin Waikom, stated that MLA Joy Kishan made the claims as he didn't get the contract for renovation of the school building. He alleged that Joy Kishan halted the renovation works in the school and prevented 3 laborers from carrying out their works. Jotin clarified that no contractor ever vanished after the construction. He condemned the local MLA for developmental activities of the constituency. Jotin maintained that MLA Joy Kishan should help out the local residents being a local MLA instead of making allegations and interfering in developmental activities initiated for the constituency.
माकी थिका फंगौदबगिरा नत्रगा माकी कमीशन फंगौदबगिरा कोई खंगद्रे थिकादार दु तांथोखरगा माहकना थिकादार न थमियु लेबर सिंगु तांथोखरगा ngasi प्रजादा खबर द करियान हापसले थिकादार चेनग्रे है थिकादार लेरमबल लेरमदबे एमदो अखोगी आउटलुक नते अखोगी दी थिका फंगेरा फंगवेरा एनीबॉडी तोम दी घेरी लाग स्कूल सिम साबिरगदी अखो लेकाय नदी वेलकम तवी अखो एप्रिशिएट तवी नंदी कइनोबु स्कूल सि आम लीरब स्कूल अमनी अदु हाना लेरमबे स्कूल सि की फिल्म सि मयामना डायरेक्टर लाक्तना लोइनो मरी लेनो मयामना लाक्तना हन्ना येंगमबनी स्कूल सि सिदोक तब यारोय मसि सिदोक हौददना करम आंगांग नन खोप तौरगदी सानरगैदा तौरगदी फिल्म चाररोयसे लूरिबुदी थाइमन के एमएलए ना माकी अपाम खरा फंगदबी दमकता प्रजासिंग नमथाक तौरग डेवलपमेंट थिंगना होनबुदुबंदी थांगमैबन की प्रजाना यानिंगदे
Manipur Secretariat Services Association, Manipur Government Services Federation and Manipur State Pensioners Unions have resolved not to partake in the mass casual leave strike initiated by JAC of Amtuk and Amgyo. Speaking to media at Old Secretariat today, representing the 3 associations, President of Manipur Government Services L. Sarat said that a meeting was held between government employees, associations and the state government regarding implementation of 7th Pay Commission on June 8 last year, but members of JAC of Amtuk and Amgyo failed to attend the meeting. He maintained that the meeting agreed for deposit of benefits under 7th Pay pre-revised rate into GPF accounts of employees from 1st April 2019 till 31st March of 2020. And to fully implement the revised rate of 7th pay from April 1st of 2020. Meanwhile, Manipur State Pensioner Union intimated that it has already urged the Chief Secretary to make arrangements for pensioners regarding deposit of the 7th pay benefits into GPF accounts.
We have already reached an agreement. Adu agreement sian amoi lawi adre haire. Adu lawi adre de akwai negotiation di tawde adam ne maram di secretary aji di tham thapal lepton leibe yabanati. Sisbak manung ji de akwai tolop lok dop tabane ba. Morally akwai tabuk su lepe ga tolop di tum loge abdi yapo na te ba. 1116 gi na 1419 ba ji subong bang di abdi yadi. Khudam bana de jayi ongi increment purga akwai na fixation torok matamda Jay only increment awang but basic to the fixation to Hajari. Fixation the nationally 1116 the effect or Hajabi one.
Pre 2016 idi with or without modification da Sarkana Kanagani have never. PIC telephone malay. Okay, water to Buddha, a soy bakara yagre, Hina. I do want to see about tourism the Yaudreba. July Tarikunipanda Toju, July Tarikuntada, back number chief secretary, quite Tipisan Zagreb. But about the Chuntroti, Adubo, chief secretary, Unabanda, Yampazani, Shiotopia.
Construction of Kumuching to Gotangkot Village Road under Cycle Subdivision in Kangpokpi District under Pradhan Mantri Gram Sarak Yojana PMGSY was reportedly disrupted due to harassment by armed miscreants to laborers. Supervisor of the road repair S. Chonsokup stated that over 4 kilometer stretch of the road from Gotangkot to a little ahead of Tangnom is completed. He stated that program implementing Unit 3 Senapati assigns the project for construction of the 10-kilometer stretch of the road under the Rural Engineering Department, Manipur State Rural Roads Development Agency to one contractor named H. Mingting in January this year. Chonsokup maintained that construction of the road funded under Phase 11 of PMGSY scheme began in January this year with a target for completion by July of 2020. However, construction was halted in some areas due to harassment by some armed miscreants to workers in demand for 50 lakh rupees. He stated that construction of the road is underway in other peaceful areas. He also asserted that construction of the road can be completed even before the stipulated time if there is no threat from the armed miscreants.
Tang ni panda like paiba kangluk amalaki moina amuk lupa lak humpu gi demand se khoi da lai adugi problem dagi akhoi se matam khara problem do kram haina lakhi bunu haidu haibdo khanangai gi damak ta timing khara khoi relax tawro laiki thangai seng na har kan khoi thabak ti lep pana chade du makhata na subagi thabak se khoi dum chat thaki adudagi amuk saron phai da amuk start se amuk haur se haiduna kamuching dagi bulldozer se thangdoraga saron phai village ta khoi se amuk thangdorakhi Saron Phai gi chipna ai isama ka unai manungi missing na sigumba problem ama khak lak pane na masigi se shop tawdri phawbadi ai khoi Saron Phai gi village tadi thabak subi khiganu haibagi athing basu lakhi.
Manipur Kabui Union has once again strongly condemned President of Zeliangrong Union Amu Kamai for his alleged statement which maligned the Kabui community following its recent condemnation of his claims on local cable TV channel that Inpui and Rongmei have replaced the Kabui community. The union today strongly condemned Amu Kamai as an unworthy leader who is ignorant about the history of Manipur. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, President of Manipur Kabui Union, Dr. Hira Malangmei Kabui, alleged that Amu Kamai ridiculed Kabui community in his statements which were published on some local dailies on June 21st and 22nd.
3380 loan pauna dringaita kabui leirakrabani himinarakpa isinau oina leirakpa kabui mete kaina bayade Manipur history kai bayade General Union President magi mapa mapugi magi lamdam asigi wari khangdaduna pangsa sabak masi ekoi condemn tawi ekoi ge achetwa wakhandi ekoi ge identity kabui loan mang mayaroi kabui gi isai jagoi kumai fijet lanjat isor khurumbagi thodang mayam kai biaroi aduna kabui di kabui oina laigadi ekoi metei chinauga isona lechembade yauraba kabui ni history amuka pas.
Proscribed Maoist Communist Party Manipur in a press release claimed that feuds over construction of Mapitel Dam between dam-affected villages and the Water Resources Department is much more than money matters. The proscribed outfit maintained that recent social media circulation about the dam providing irrigation at Itai Lokong is a huge deception. Maoist Communist Party Manipur claimed that state government's social media team called Anauba, Manipur made the illusionary video to bluff the public. The outfit demanded the Chief Engineer of Water Resources Department to clarify on the matter within a week, failing which warned of strict actions against him. Rape convict 29-year-old Siram Chinglen from Khurai Angom Lekai was produced before Special Judge Pokso Imphal East Judge Maibam Manoj Kumar for sentence hearing today. The convict raped a minor girl at a restaurant in Sawambung on March 11, 2016. The court ordered to put him into a rigorous imprisonment of 10 years and also imposed a fine of 10,000 rupees. The court further instructed the relevant government department to provide a compensation of 5 lakh rupees to the victim. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the ongoing 48-hour band called by JADC on School Fagat Hanshi mission for Wabagai High School in Kakching District. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Ongoing 48-hour band called by Joint Action Demand Committee on School Fagat Hanshi mission for Wabagai High School in Kakching District since 5 a.m. yesterday greatly affected normal life in Hyanglam Wabagai area today. The band was called in demand for inclusion of Wabagai High School in Wabagai constituency of Kakching District among the schools selected to be improved under state government's School Fagat Hanshi mission. Locals blocked roads in various parts of Hyanglam Wabagai since early this morning. Hyanglam Wabagai Lamkhai Kaitel, which is the major business hub of Kakching District, bore a deserted look. Vehicular movement was restricted. Passenger vehicles remained off the roads except for a few private vehicles. Kakching District police personnel deployed at strategic locations in the district are maintaining a strict vigil to prevent any untoward incidents. They tried their best to scatter Band supporters off the streets today. It may be mentioned that Kakching Higher Secondary School was selected as one school of Wabagai constituency to be improved under state government's School Fagat Hanshi mission, which aims to improve one school each in every constituencies in its first phase. Indo-Burma Sugnu Road Bus Owners Welfare Union Imphal in a press release informed that the proposed 48-hour band on BSR route from July 1st has been called off following an understanding among the stakeholders. Vice President of DESAM, N. Edison, urged the government to take measures against frequent cases of misallocation of marks to students in state board examinations. Speaking to media on the sidelines of an academic awareness program held at Tiny Tots Unique School today in view of Education Free Zone Demand Day observance on July 5, Edison expressed a disappointment that frequent marks misallocation cases in examinations conducted by BOSEM have surfaced in recent years. Referring to the latest case of 22nd position holder of BOSEM 2019 Class 10 examination, a student of Tiny Tots Unique School who backed the position only upon re-evaluation. Edison urged the relevant authorities to probe the incident at the earliest. DESAM also carried out the awareness program at St. Joseph School in Sangay Pro and Royal Academy of Science in Ningtem Pukri, Mapal.
Mahirusingidamagtadi mase khwadagi laibak thiba mase bu examination conduct tawriba authority amadi stage da koina evaluation na chingba mase gi examiner oina mase da koina mathau tawriba akoi gi oja sing haijaba tare akoina diam ne kai khumnaba tha ama thamjabani oja sing se ado mase gi section daba siguma mayam ama kaksina hairiba siguma mayam sing se mase koi thorakpane na khale aduna yueba moina mase human human error haigadra mase mana tawbra natraga mase intentionally tawge yauna tawhalibra haibadu mase yamna kupna mase thigat pama change do kari Masina Tauge Yauna Toramba, Masakuna Kudamana Quanam upon the mark tempering Habido, Madugi, Pibum, Lapo Magadi, Mas General Mesindo, Tabaki Lopoyana, Akanba Mazigi, Sairak, Masipibum to aim.
A Class 7 student of Creative School, Julalen, who used to stay in the school boarding, reportedly sustained critical injury and was hospitalized. JSC formed against the incident carried out protest demonstration today at Lilong Arapti, condemning the school authority for such mishap. The student is hospitalized at ICU ward of Shiza Hospital since May 3. Taking part in the protest meet, the student's father, MD Taj Ahmed, claimed that the school authority stated that his son fell from stairs during a quarrel with his friends and short of bearing all medical expenses. He condemned that the school authority fails to keep its promises. MD Taj Ahmed urged students and civil society organizations of the state to help in bringing justice to his victim's son. The JSC also warned of intense agitations if the school authority fails to clarify the matter by July 2nd. Speaking to media, JSC convener W. Premanda warned the creative school to bear all the responsibilities if anything bad happens to the student.
Hariba matik chadba school chalaiba heitriba adugumba mioi singado pharaga dandi pinana bo hona ba matamda aigi angang da thoi ba thodo ka se ani rak suba mama mapa amada engoda tariba wa ba se tadana na ba hona ba matamda school la sim mutat kinaba hona ba amadi maral lairiba school authority pumna mak pharaga dandi pinana bo hona ba matamda lamdam jida lairiba Mahiro sing munung sibiba student organization amati civil organization pumna mak mateng pangbiyo
July ki tang ani phawi manung da karingba lairiba school authority na JSC gi yana be khungjang laktragadi makha ta be any tarab khodi makta JSC gi authority na traga akhogi Manipur da lairiba chumba pamba civil society amadi akhogi angamba level da school la mutat kani amadi karingba masida karingba yana porokta taragadi akhogi site gi ngasi achum pamba sing mafam da karingba pau piraga media amadi akhoi print site gi akhoi JSC site gi akhoi apin tawjare
Chowkhat Khongthang Club, Chowkhat Khongthang Nupilup, Kha Naurem Lekai and Thongju Chingong Lei Makong Development Club in a joint press release strongly condemned a planting of bomb at the residence of Vice Chancellor of Manipur Technical University MTU L Tombi in Kha Naurem Lekai, Kanchipur recently. The association's appeals not to repeat such incident causing fear psychosis among people ever again. BJP Nauriya Pakhanglakpa Mandal, under the initiative of MLA Nauriya Pakhanglakpa Soibam Subhachandra, has started drawing water from Nambul River to provide irrigation to paddy fields in the constituency. 5 water pumps under River Lift Irrigation Scheme were utilized to draw water in 5 different places of the constituency, including Hyangthang, Langthabal and Mongshangai. Speaking on the sidelines, Secretary of BJP Nauriya Pakhanglakpa Mandal M. Ranjit stated that the local MLA took the initiative to prevent food scarcity in the wake of irregular rainfall in the state. He stated that similar activities will be carried out in other places of the constituency. Health cards under Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana and free gas connection under Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana were distributed to beneficiaries of Kundrakpam constituency today. Vice President of BJP Kishan Morcha Dr. Ketramiyum Kala and BJP leaders distributed health cards to 80 beneficiaries and free cooking gas connection to 150 beneficiaries during the distribution program held at Ram School in Pangai. Dr. Kala told media that free gas connections under the scheme were provided to beneficiaries for the 9th time in Kundrakpam constituency. He said that altogether 1,650 beneficiaries have availed the benefits so far.
Apoi kendra pijari gyase apoi manipuri manungdai kendra te yengamatun ladi apoi na phai hemran khanjai lising machangan matata machi cham yankhai amagi yalagadi lising machatu yankhai apoi pijari bese cha thong me khu wa tho me khu ra mo kha chan changaba lena kayamarum uhonba sagi lok thungba cancer naba awa ta mayam da madu kuppa ngamnum da china da modi sina mai chalcha mayam thing masida bipel ka paira gas condition phangodo mi da gas bibiro maphoi gi nuai na hingnaba maphoi punsida na pirapani.
A training program on paper bag making organized by Smart Society Imphal, a subsidiary unit of Salai Holdings Private Limited at Haraurok Mayai Laikai Community Hall since June 24 concluded today. Speaking in the event, Executive Member of Northeast India Development Party NAIDP T.H. Mohindro asserted that the training program aimed to save environment by promoting use of paper bags instead of plastic bags, as well as to boost the income of the local residents of Kundrakpam constituency.
Salai Holding Private Limited na Manipur sida economy da su phananaba aduga koi environment da su plastic ki asiguma amol kai mayam singa se masi thoi su control tonu ba serang khau gi motor se khau mohut chindaba yade habi gi pandam da ase koi punne himun si habi gi wakhallon da tarik 13 diga horga tarik kuma pamuk cha thari program singa si losan ni ni asiguma losan ni ase ngasi na losan banate anau ba farmer singo oiba longmi singo oiba program kaya muk su leri nupi singi phi sabi gi oiba program kaya muk su leri aduna koi smart society koi sida harau khundra pung kendra gi sida office am su hangna ba thorang tawjeri Salai Holding Private Limited na money
1 month non-residential workshop on Kubag Ishe at Moirang in Bishnupur district, which aimed to preserve and promote indigenous art forms like Kubag Ishe, Kubag Cholom, Kartal Cholom and Lorok dance concluded today. Temple of Art and Culture Center, Moirang organized the workshop funded by the Ministry of Culture, New Delhi. National awardee artists trained around 40 students during the workshop. Students and artists of the center performed Kubag Ishe, Kubag Cholom, Kartal Cholom, Lorok dance, etc. in the concluding event held at Moirang Kuru Lekai Mandop.
mayamna sankitonji mirai rakpa kumai rom da lakpase mamang ai da leiramba oja sing thambiramba phaja mayamje loina mangjan gara mangjal ab se kitang kanjabu ngamgadra khandana kubai se kaino khangdra bane sidi sankitonji haurukpagi oiba yam phaja posang amani masidena makoina asidi lohongbada swarata apply tawragadi henna phaja masak thokani manipuri sankitonje masak naiba amani पृथ्वी तो फोन तो कोई आने बगी ऐसा वो मसा हम ओरे बसे मकोई जो खांग रहे ऐकोई जो खांग रहे
New Kaital Manbi police has recovered a body of a suspected non-local from a deserted house located on National Highway 37, New Kaital Manbi Village Road. The body is kept at Rims Morgue for investigation. The deceased is about 5 feet 5 inches tall, round face with a dark complexion. He was clad in blue-colored pant and blue-colored t-shirt. Saparmaina Police Station, Kampopi District, in a press release stated that the body will be disposed of after 3 days if no one claims the body. Now the sports news. Arrangements are all set to kick off a grassroots development program for women polo players in July. All Manipur Polo Association, in collaboration with Center for Microfinance and Livelihood and Tata Trust, will organize the program. All Manipur Polo Association has been making all-out efforts since years ago to organize the program to produce excellent women polo players from Manipur. Speaking to media, Sports Director of CML and Tata Trust, Bishwanath Sinha, stated that girls between 14 to 19 years will be trained and selected players after the training will be sponsored to play further. He urged people of the state to support their initiative in preserving the polo game, which originated from Manipur.
Objective is how we can actually bring good human resources, not only for polo program, but even management of such programs, to run it, to bring vision and to provide technical support, so that every project we take up in Manipur becomes successful. We have been lucky that we got very good human resources in Manipur. Moigi dedication, technical expertise, lauraga, amasung mapande expertise poraga, koi ajana tauna hotnaradi. Hopefully one day Manipur polo, kind of polo the Nubigi polo the in particular, Manipur will become superpower.
All Manipur Football Association has declared the results of 3-day state-level residential clinic for referees. The referee clinic was held at Kumalampak Sports Complex from June 14 till 16. Results of the fitness test and theory test held online on June 24 were declared today. 2 referees from Imphal East and 1 each from Imphal West and Chandil districts passed in under Category 1, while 4 referees from Imphal East, 3 from Imphal West, 2 from Thoubal and 1 referee from Chantil district passed in under Category 2. 15 referees from Thoubal, 12 referees from Imphal West, 6 referees from Imphal East, 4 referees from Bishnupur, 2 referees from Kakching and 1 referee from Churachandpur passed in Category 3, and 3 referees from Churachandpur, 2 each from Imphal West, Bishnupur, Thaubal, Chandil and Imphal East, and 1 from Kakching passed under Category 4. Results of 5 categories from various districts and green referees were also declared today. Jadav Chandra Haubam, KSH Sarachandra, KSH Modhuchandra, M. Joy Chandra, L. Yaima, M. Magho and H. Khamba took charge as instructor, while I. Ravi Chandra, L. Tarun Kumar and C. H. Kelani Chanu took charge as trainee instructors during the clinic program held under AMFA. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Combined team of NAB and Thaubal police busts a drug factory near Lilong Dam. Seizes heroin worth around 1 billion rupees in international market. MPCC President Gai Khangam criticizes state leaders of being busy camping in Delhi over leadership posts while people in the state suffer. Manipur Kabui Union strongly condemns President of Zeliangrong Union Amu Kamai for his offensive statement against Kabui community. And Imphal East Pokso Court sentences 29-year-old Siram Chinglen from Kurai Angom Lekai to 10 years of rigorous imprisonment for raping a minor.